Yeah, so let's talk about Kloiadka.com for a moment. Kloiadka.com is an online store that claims to sell different storage tools, kitchen supplies, and cleaning tools. Sounds useful, right? But many people are now asking the big question, is this store actually legit? So stay with me till the end because things get pretty interesting. First, we checked reviews on Trustpilot, and wow, many users say this website is a total scam. People paid for their order and never received anything. Some did get a package, but it was nothing more than cheap, dollar store glasses that don't match what was advertised. All those big promises like the last glasses you'll ever need or autofocus lenses? Yeah, totally fake. Customers also complained about no tracking number, no replies from customer service, and even being asked to pay extra just to trace their order. Overall, reviewers strongly warn others to stay away. Another huge concern is the business history they claim. They say the company was established on December 11, 2023. But when we checked their WHOIS data, the website was actually registered in June 2025. That's a huge red flag and shows the platform is not being honest about its background. Then we looked at their product images. And guess what? They're copied straight from the internet. Not original at all. This usually signals that the store doesn't have real products and is just using stolen pictures to look legit. We also checked the company details they listed, like the name Kunming Wumen International Trading Co. Ltd. And their license number. But there's no clear evidence that any of this is real. When a site shares unverifiable company information, it usually means trouble. And finally, the contact details. At first, seeing an email, phone number, and physical address looks like a good sign. But after digging deeper, even the address used for their contact section were taken from the internet. This means those details may not belong to them at all. So, is Kloiadka.com legit? Well, based on everything we uncovered, fake establishment dates, copied images, suspicious company details, unreliable contact information, and tons of negative reviews, it's pretty clear this website is not trustworthy. There's a high risk of getting scammed, so it's best to avoid it completely. Thanks for watching till the end. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates and stay safe online.